what's your overall philosophy on how you approach those deals, and what's your take on the go forward? Just given that this huge wave, it's got a little bit slower. So what's your view of the future?
So at Ventas, we've done $16 billion in acquisitions since 2011, and I very much agree with what John said. Is that we had a historic opportunity to acquire assets, and we took full advantage of it, I think, at the right time in the cycle. What's amazing about healthcare is that it's a $1 trillion market. We have tremendous flexible opportunities to allocate capital, and the REITs only own 12% of that market, all the REITs together. And so the opportunities to continue to consolidate what is a growing dynamic sector where there's tremendous amounts of need-based demand it's really stunning. And so I do think it won't be a straight line, but over time there will be doubling and tripling potentially of the healthcare REIT sector and perhaps Ventas. But as Ron said, it's really all about shareholder value creation. Are we adding value per share? And everyone is different. When we acquire assets, whether it's another public company or a large private portfolio, whatever it may be, and we did two in early 2011 within weeks of each other. One was public to public, one was private to public. We're always looking for assets that are either going to, and this is very basic, but where the cash flows are going to increase and or the multiple value of those assets is going to increase. So is it at the right time in the cycle, at the asset level? Is it the right time in the cycle at the capital level? And so a big public-to-public had synergies, it was deleveraging, it was accretive, it drove scale, and importantly for the healthcare REITs, it drove down or improved our cost of capital and ratings. And a lot of what we do is really a function of how successful we are at continuing to have the most attractive cost of capital. The other was a $3+ billion portfolio of independent living assets that we bought from Atria at the exact right time in the economic recovery, one of the highest quality portfolios in our business. And together, that has created a lot of value for Ventas shareholders. But they couldn't have been more different in terms of the thesis for making the investment. But at the end of the day, it comes back to what Ron said, which is, are we creating value for Ventas shareholders?